Alrighty, next up on the revisits is this mid 1980s 20-inch Galaxy box fan. Um, this is one of the many childhood nostalgic fans that I have in my collection. Um, growing up as a young kid, when I see my grandparents, they had this same exact looking model. But I want to say that I remember theirs being badged in Montgomery Ward, and it may have been a 2-speed, but either way, everything else looked the same. It had the same blade and same blade hub, same front grille design, everything. Yeah, these fans came in a few different name badges. I mean, all of them the same fan, but there was like Sears, Montgomery Ward, Eastern Electric, just to name a few. Probably some other ones. But yeah, these are pretty good fans. This one's in decent shape. Still has its rubber handle, original one. This one's a 3-speed with this cool style knob. I always like the speed control knobs on these models. Let's look at the front pads and the blade hub. I do like the multiple holes cut out in the center of the hub here. I think that kind of gives it a nice appearance. Not that the other ones look bad or anything. I don't know. The most nostalgic is that hub for me. The blades. The blades on this the blades themselves are a tad bit warped. They make kind of a wispy sound. There's nothing really I can do for that. I feel like if I try to heat these up and bend them, they would just break, as old as the plastic is. Alright, side of the fan. A nice thick cabinet. It's, I'd say, at least 4 or 5 inches wide. Very nice. Will never tip over, not even on plush carpet. It's got the stand holes. And what's odd about this model, I've noticed, it's got this side and the other side both have these 3 little tiny holes. Not really sure what these are for. Maybe it's for, I don't know, ventilation purposes, or not really too sure, but just kind of a weird kind of thing I've noticed. The front grill on this, you can see it's starting to kind of bow out. I mean, plastic from the 80s, and here's the back of the fan. It's got some missing slats. Maybe one day get around to repairing those. It looks like the previous owner cut out where there was like a badge template here, which I never understood why they did that. I mean, it would just cover up the motor and prevent air from getting through the motor. So I'm kind of glad that they cut that out. I guess makes me think that they probably took care of this fan, which is why it still runs pretty good to this day. Alrighty, the fan's plugged up, and we'll fire it up on high speed. Yeah, it definitely moves a lot of air, as these fans do. Most of you know who own these move a lot of air. Running at 1.97 amps, 163 watts. Medium. You can kind of hear the wisping sound that the warped wings of the blade kind of have. Makes 0.4 amps and 114 watts. And go to low. Low, we're at 1 amp and 83 watts. 83 and a half, I should say. Back to high. And more some coast. We'll get some startup sounds. Low. Medium. Now high speed. And again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a good one.